In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to auto-create items and boards in Monday.com. By the end, you'll have an automation that creates a new item on your board when a specific date arrives, and it will place that item in the right group with the right owner, status, and date already filled in. Start on your Monday home, then open Workspaces from the left side and head into the workspace and board where you want this to run. At the top of your board, click Automate to open the Automation Center. Here you can browse by category if you'd like to explore templates, or simply use the search bar to find what you need. For full control, choose Create from Scratch so we can build the exact recipe. You'll land in the recipe builder. First, set the trigger. Click the part that says when this happens, then select the option for when a date arrives. This trigger watches a date column on your board, so make sure your board already has a date column you want to use, such as due date. If you have multiple date columns, you'll pick the right one in a moment. Next, define the action. Click where it says Create Item. Then select an item to configure what the automation will create. You'll see fields to fine-tune the new item. Choose the group where the item should appear so it lands in the correct section of your board. Set the person, so ownership is clear the moment it's created. Pick a status to show its starting state, and choose the date value so the new item reflects the timing you expect. You can set fixed values, or if available, map them from your board's columns so it stays dynamic. Now refine the timing. Click the When section to adjust when the automation should run relative to the date. In the prompt that asks when to notify on this date, choose your preference, on the date itself, or sometime before or after. Then confirm the specific date column by clicking Date and selecting the date field you want the trigger to monitor. Review your selections to make sure the trigger, group, owner, status, and timing all look right. When you're satisfied, click Create Automation to save it. From that point on and on, whenever that date arrives according to your timing, Monday.com will automatically create the item exactly as you configured it. A quick tip: ensure you have permission to create items in the chosen board and that the group and people you selected exist and are visible to you. If anything changes later, you can return to Automate to edit or deactivate the recipe.